skills.
Ligang Atinista. Laro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka away now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Laro, hindi kaaway.
A Magis afternoon, everyone, and we are back here sa AA League season year 2025 at makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Nino Mendoza to give you all an update. So, down to our last match of this day, and andito tayo para saksihan ang bakbakan between the Batch 2000 and Batch 2001 dito sa AA League 2025.
And looking at the court ngayon, our players are getting warmed up and getting ready for the game between 2000 versus 2001. Kung sino magiging champion sa seniors division.
Yes.
And kahit medyo matatanda na itong ating mga players, for sure na mga dating varsity yan.
Yes.
And yung iba hanggang ngayon ay naglalaro pa rin sa mga commercial leagues, and of course hindi pa rin nawawala yung kanilang basketball spirit.
Yan yung nabanggit mo nga dito, yung age. Age doesn't matter when it comes to playing basketball, and they are not here just to play but to catch up the brotherhood na nabuo dito sa batch ng 2000 and 2001. So I'm sure this both teams are very excited to meet each and everyone dito sa loob ng court, because again nga, after a long years of not playing, nandito ulit sila sa loob ng Ateneo covered court para balikan yung ginagawa nila on their years of playing basketball. So, sino kaya ang mananalo between these two great teams? Yan ang aabangan natin maya-maya sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter.
Looking at the lineup rin ng ating mga teams dito, di naman nagkakalayo sa height and of course the size. Kaya talagang makakita tayo ng magandang laban dito ngayon for our last game at the Ateneo Alumni League Seniors Division.
So we are live sa ating Facebook page, the AA League Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, Genan TV 48 Naga, and live rin po tayo sa ating YouTube channel ng Genan TV 48 Naga. So sa mga hindi po makakapunta dito sa ating venue, feel free to visit our Facebook pages for more live actions dito sa AA League 2025. At mag-comment po kayo kasi maya-maya shoutout po kami ng mga viewers natin dito sa ating liga. And in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these two great teams. But before that, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter to give us an update. And I believe handa na dito si Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong update on your side?
Rick and Nino, we're down to the last game for today. It's a battle between Batch 2000 and Batch 2001. Nakausap ko kanina the playing coach of Batch 2000, Mr. BJ Santa Isabel, and according to him, isa sa tinutukan raw nila ay ang depensa ng team. And also, itong makakalaban daw nila, ang mga kaibigan lang din at mga kalaro lang din nila few years ago. Of course, they prepared for the finals round. And with that note, and also the conviction of the voice of Mr. BJ, I'm sure the game will be powerful and fiery as usual. Kaya tutok lang mga kaibigan dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For now, balik muna sa inyo, Nino and Rick.
Thank you so much, Eliza, for that update. And tamang-tama ka nga doon, these teams prepared sila para dito sa kanilang finals match. And let's see kung sino ang mananaig, kung sino magbibigay ng doble effort sa kanila. Exciting talaga itong laban na to.
Yes, and according to Eliza, magkakaibigan din daw itong dalawang magkalaban na team ngayong araw. That's why let's see magiging enjoy and at the same time fired up ang magiging bakbakan between these two teams. So aabangan natin yan maya-maya on the Batch 2000. For the meantime, handang-handa na din ang courtside reporter on the side of Batch 2001. Casey, anong update dyan?
Marhay Naldaw, Bicolandia, we are now down on the last game of Ateneo Alumni League Finals at dalawang powerhouse batches muli ang magtatapat sa court. The Batch 2000 kontra Batch 2001. This is your courtside correspondent Casey Anchoquia reporting from the sideline of Batch 2001. Now this isn't just about the skills or experience Nino and Rick. According to the team, they've been a runner-up for the past 3 years. Kaya naman for this season, every move counts and every play ay crucial as they aim for the championship. They quoted defense should set the tone and offense will come in at bawat galaw nila sa court ay talagang pinag-iisipan at pinag-uusapan bilang batch. So Rick and Nino, today we're not just witnessing a game, we're witnessing heart and strategy sa bawat galaw ng Batch 2001. This is a team determined to turn years of near misses into one unforgettable championship game. Yan muna ang update sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you, Casey, for that update from the side of the 2001. And tamang-tama ka nga doon. Since sunod-sunod yung pagiging runner-up dito ng 2001, siguro mas grabe yung gigil nila for this game and this championship match. Kaya makakapag-expect tayo ng kundi lang doble, triple effort para dito sa 2001.
So let's see kung babaliin ba dito yung curse na pagiging runner-up on the side of Batch 2001 against this Batch 2000. We will get the first point and the first ball possession as the first quarter will start right now dito sa loob ng Ateneo covered court.
First 5 announced by the marker.
So we've seen on our screen the lineups for both teams, and right after that, makikilala na natin ang first 5 for both teams. Again, this is the matchup of Batch 2000 and Batch 2001. We will get the championship title for this Ateneo Alumni League 2025.
Game is about to start. Batch 2000 versus 2001. And jump ball. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang first ball possession?
So the first ball possession goes on the side of Batch 2000. And first point coming from Santa Isabel.
Bilis ng kanilang transition.
Forces that one. Unsuccessful. And now again Santa Isabel with the ball. Versus that one. Ball possession still on the side of Batch 2001.
Out of bounds. Bola na ngayon ng Batch 2000. Floater. No good. Now 2001, a chance to convert this fast break. Outside pass to that wingman. No good on the three-pointer. Yan. Batch 2000 naman. Kickball violation. And the bola pa rin ng Batch 2000.
Now a chance on their side to add their 2 points here sa ating first quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8. Nagagawan dito ng bola. What a great defense coming from the Roonies. Jersey number 6. Passing it to jersey number 71 for that layup.
Yun ang connection. Hindi na nakatingin sa kanyang teammate pero naibigay pa rin yung bola.
Deadlock at 2. Na possession ng Team Millennium. Long pass to Salvador. An attempt for 2. Unsuccessful Orbita with the ball. Miscommunication on the side of Team Roonies. Turnover. Millennium on the offense at this moment.
And you moving the ball around. Fake. Same ball possession, bola pa rin ng Millennium. Same ball. And grabe yung depensa dito ang ginagawa ng Roonies. Kaya nahihirapan dito yung Millennium na makapaghahanap ng buwelo. Santa Isabel, fake. Gandang passing. Too much power on that reverse layup.
This time, the connection on the side of Roonies. Kevin to jersey number 7. Successful on that attempt.
Now, miscommunication from the side of the Millennium. And yung chemistry dito ng Roonies yung nagpapadali ng pag-convert sa kanila ng points. And it's working for them at the moment and leading the game by 2 points.
So let's see, will the Roonies continuously dominate this one and add their 2-point lead? But a foul was whistled. So foul was called to jersey number 23. So same ball possession. Jersey number 15, or rather 6, to inbound. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. An attempt for 3 and an out ball. Chance for the Millennium here to cut the lead, or even got the lead here, but unfortunately hindi na ipasok yung tres, but an offensive rebound coming from jersey number 23. Salvador with the ball. Pull-up jumper, unsuccessful. Now Kevin, nagmamadali. Bring the ball on their side. But passing it to the wrong person.
Same ball possession. Di natapik yung bola. Salvador to inbound. Buenagua. Millennium moving the ball around. Nago yung bola. Medyo chill lang dito yung ginagawang transition ng ating players. Wala masyadong takbuhan na nagagawa.
Yes. What a great defense on the side of Millennium. Now it's their time to add a point on their side. Passing it to jersey number 28. And still, the ball possession is on the side of Millennium.
And mapapansin mo rin, wala masyadong foul dito sa
Yes.
first quarter. 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining for the first quarter and wala pa rin foul na nagagawa ang ating mga players.
5 minutes and 26 seconds. Timeout was called on the side of batch 2001. Or rather, batch 2000. The snapshot of their team. Huddling at the moment because they're down by 2. Let's see after this timeout kung magkakaroon na ng puntos itong Team Millennium. Nangangalahati na tayo sa first quarter but still low scoring para dito sa dalawang kupunan. Now the same ball possession, Team Millennium. Welro passing it to Sonwil. 10 seconds to shoot. Great pass this time. What an eye para kay Sonwil, finding Salvador, and Salvador with that beautiful layup.
Grabe yung efforts dito na binibigay ng Millennium. You can really see them giving it their all. And of course, one of their key players dito, head coach, one of the coaches ng UNC, Sir Coach Alvin.
Wow, great steal coming from the Millennium against Salvador, making sure na another 2 points ang maidadagdag on their side. And with that, timeout was called on the side of Runis.
Ang bilis dito ni Salvador. Yung pag-transition niya to get that fast break point, grabe dito yung ginagawa ni Salvador.
Look at that instant replay. Now 6-4 change favor.
Look at Coach Alvin. Kahit sa Alumni League, he's still coaching a team.
Yes.
And despite being a player, sabay-sabay niya nang ginagawa. What a talented person he is. And Back to the ball game for the first quarter of our match. Di masyadong nag-aagwat ang ating mga teams.
Yes.
4-6 ang ating score in favor of the Millennium.
Now Orbita handing the ball to jersey number 6. Time for them to bounce back for that back-to-back points committed on the side of Millennium. 10 seconds to shoot. Passing it to jersey number 34. No good on that attempt. Offensive rebound. Pero andoon si jersey number 24.
Salvador with that bump. Through 3 defenders, nakuha niya pa rin yung bola. Sunwell back to Salvador with that fake. Loses the ball. Heavy defense naman kasi yung meron doon.
Yes. Now Rooney's. They really need a point at this moment. An attempt for 3. No good. Millennium. Long pass to jersey number 7 and now Sunwell. Heavily guarded here. Salvador loses that ball. But a traveling violation was called to Salvador on that last sequence. So Rooney's has the chance here to tie this match. Again, the defense of Millennium. Ayaw papasukin and a steal coming from them. What a great defense this time by the Batch 2000. Coach Alben goes inside. No good. Offensive rebound. But loses that. Orbita ngayon ang may hawak ng bola.
No chance. Ngayon lang nagka-foul. With 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining into our first quarter. Millennium moving the ball around. Pump fake. Bola pa rin dito. Bola na dito ang Lunis. And hindi masyadong gumagalaw ang ating scoreboard of 4-6.
Kanina pa nga ninyo itong 6-4 na score. And patapos na ang ating first quarter.
Mabilis din lumipas yung oras kasi malinis yung depensa na ginagawa dito ng ating mga teams.
Look at that defense coming from jersey number 91.
Pure hustle.
Chance for Rooney's here. 14 to shoot. And this time, successful yung layup na yun ni jersey number 71. Now we are all tied up at 6. Team Millennium with the basketball. Another foul was called on the side of Rooney's. So same ball possession.
Match na match talaga yung lineup ng ating mga teams and looking at the height, halos pantay-pantay silang lahat. Wala kang makakitang lumalabak. All is equal. Yes, on the ball.
So return over on the side of Millennium. Rooney's basketball. Passing it to jersey number 6. And 2 free throw shots will be given on the side of Runis for that foul committed by jersey number 6.
And you can actually see na despite the tight defense that the teams are making, they're still smiling. Talagang competitive game pero friendly match lang.
Yes.
Keeping the air very light.
One more time for jersey number 34. Back-to-back basket para sa Team Runis. 8-6. The favor is on the side of Team Runis again. A minute and 30 seconds remaining. But again, crucial violation committed by Team Millennium. A traveling violation. This time, Rooney ang may hawak ng bola. 14 to shoot.
Beautiful fake. Blocking foul was called. Jersey number 3. Runis ngayon with this ball possession, ano kaya yung kanilang magiging plan? Lalo't na single digit pa lang ang ating score dito sa ating first quarter. Beautiful spin move. Second chance from the Runis. Wala pa rin. And the ball possession still remains with the Runis.
Now Runis is doing a great job for this remaining 53 seconds. An attempt for 3 and wow, clean 3 points basket para dito kay jersey number 15, Orbita. And now Team Millennium, what would be the answer on their side? 10 seconds on the shot clock. Same ball possession.
Coach Alvin to inbound for the Millennium. Beautiful drive. Extra pass. And the Roonies for the fast break opportunity. Bilis. And the foul was committed there by jersey number 24. A good foul to prevent that fast break point.
Now the Millennium is on the penalty situation. No good para kay Orbita. One more time for him. This time, basket substitution on the side of Team Runis. Jersey number 33 checks in.
Rani, a former varsity player also during the old years of Ateneo.
Offensive rebound, second chance point, unsuccessful. And that's the end of our first quarter. 12-6 is our score, pabor sa side ng Runis. We'll be right back for our second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. dangal-dala bilang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo covered court for our second quarter matchup between the Team Roonies and Team Millennium. Our seniors championship dito sa ating Ateneo Alumni League 2025. So, doon nga sa naganap nating first quarter, Team Roonies making sure na hindi makakahabol sa kanilang kalamangan ang Team Millennium. So let's see dito sa pagsisimula ng ating second quarter kung maganda ba ang pasok on their team or the Team Millennium will bounce back after that low scoring first quarter. Now Salvador to inbound.
Napalakas lang yung pulso dito ni Coach Alvin. Now the Roonies, nastill dito ng Millennium. A fast break opportunity, 1-2. Napeke doon yung depensa. Roonies still have the ball possession dito. Ang ganda.
Wow. Coming from that fake and the perfect passing, Team Roonies makakakuha ulit dito ng puntos on their side. So far, so good para sa batch 2001.
Ang ganda ng handles dito ni Coach Alvin. Shaking off that defender. And ball goes out. Medyo na-excite dito si ano. Bola pa rin ng Millennium. Salvador. Yamado. Salvador, jumper. Gandang tira dito ni Salvador.
Great basket. So, kailangan ditong maging consistent ng side ng Millennium if they want to catch up with this score. 14-8. Abante pa rin dito ang Team Roonies. 10 seconds to shoot. Bautista goes inside and a great steal coming from the Team Millennium. So back-to-back steal. Bautista again.
Foul was committed. Fired up dito yung bench ng Roonies. And look at that. Nasa kanila yung momentum at the moment. 14-8 our score in favor of the Roonies.
Now Bautista has the chance to add their lead here. So basket, another one. And back-to-back points for Bautista, one of the key players on the side of Team Roonies. Now, The defense on the side of Runis.
Ang ganda talaga ng tira ni Salvador. Using the board. A bank shot na fast break.
And yan, 16-10 is our score. And to hear an update on the side of our courtside reporter, Casey, kumusta ang balita dyan?
Rick and Nino, both teams are really determined to win this game. On the side of Batch 2001, maigpit ang depensa nila, which is really good. Nakaka-pressure sa kalaban at napipigilan ang open shots. However, kailangan pa rin nilang mag-extra effort sa opensa para mas mapanatili at mas mapalakas pa ang kanilang significant lead laban sa Batch 2000. May mga pagkakataon pa rin na pwede nilang ma-improve ang ball movement at i-convert ang bawat opportunity into points. Hindi pa rin sila pwedeng magpakampante dahil mahaba pa ang laban and anything could happen. That's why they have to really maintain their momentum. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Casey, for that update from the side of the 2001. And tama ka nga doon. They just need to maintain the momentum. And keeping up the scoring na ginagawa nila. Kasi yung Millennium dito, makakapaghabol if hindi nila papatuloy yung nagagawa nilang momentum.
Again, no room for complacency on the side of Runis kasi nakita naman natin yung back-to-back points on the side of Team Millennium. So they need more of that to tie this match. Salvador with the ball. Same ball possession. And to hear an update on the other side of things, we have Eliza. Hi Eliza, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Parehong mahigpit ang depensa ng parehong kupunan, Nino and Rick. As we can see, andun pa rin yung liksi ng Millennium team. Takbo kung takbo, depensa kung depensa. It's really about giving their extra effort this time to give them the safety net they needed. Parehong kupunan, ayaw magpaawat. The defense, on-point shots, and game techniques, all in one, made this game a really good game. At medyo lumalayo man ang puntos, well, we still don't need to worry. Sobrang layo pa natin sa exciting part at masyado pang maaga para magsaya ang Batch 2001. Kaya tutok lang dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampyon. Yun muna ang balita dito sa courtside. Balik muna sa inyo, Nino and Rick.
Thank you, Eliza, for that update from the side of the Millennium. And tamang-tama ka nga doon. Millennium still fighting this first and second quarter. Despite the Roonies having their lead, binabawi ito ng Millennium unti-unti using their fast break and especially the shots coming in from Salvador, back-to-back points from him. Kaya napuputol din dito yung streak na ginagawa ng Roonies. Let's see kung anong magaganap sa ating 5 minutes and 59 seconds of the second quarter. Kung mahabol kaya ng Millennium or will the Roonies maintain the lead?
Now back to the ball game. 19-13 is our score. Team Roonies to inbound. Wow, look at that. Napakaganda ng ginawa ng Team Roonies on that last sequence.
Yung chemistry talaga ng
Yes.
Team Roonies.
Ano yung sagot dito ng Team Millennium with that play? And a great steal again. Team Roonies on the run here. Look at that back-to-back points after the timeout called on their side. What a great answer on that back-to-back points coming from Millennium. Taking their time here, finding his teammate, Yamado. In and out ball, offensive rebound, Welro. Heavily guarded here. Hindi gumana dito yung tira ni Salvador, and now the Team Roonies again finding their score. Again, the connection is very evident at this moment on the side of Team Roonies. Every passing talagang sure ball na makakakuha sila ng puntos. 10 seconds to shoot. And 3 points naman ang sagot on the side of Team Millennium.
Roonies dito, continuous yung nagiging score nila. And Millennium, mahihirapan sila dito ang habulin yung lead na ginagawa ng Roonies. Tapos with a connection na meron dito ang Roonies, talagang hindi malaman ng Millennium kung kanino mabibigay ang bola.
Offensive rebound. Pull-up jumper, no good. So the ball possession goes on the side of Team Millennium.
A 9-point lead for the Roonies. Kailangan lang nilang alagaan itong lead na meron sila. While the Millennium, they need to double their efforts here.
Great pass this time, pero andoon yung defense on the side of Roonies. No good. Now Team Roonies for that fast break. But a foul was called to Salvador. Now the Team Roonies has the chance again to add their lead here. Here's yung number 5 to inbound. An attempt for 3. And walang sabit sa tres na yon. Wow. Team Roonies, mainit na mainit para dito sa ating second quarter.
Biggest lead so far, 12 points from the Roonies.
Wasted opportunity para sa Team Millennium. Libreng-libre sana itong si Llamado on that last play. But hindi pumasok yung kanilang opensa. So now, Team Roonies, back-to-back 3 points coming from them. Dagdagan pa ng 3 puntos na kalamangan.
The Millennium moving the ball around. Low post move. Binalik. Screen play. And naapakan yung linya. Roonies have the ball possession. 15-point lead. Easy attack coming in from the Roonies. Talagang naghahanapan nila kung anong pinakang quality opportunity pwede nilang ma-convert. And now, the Millennium no good on the 3-pointer.
Now back to Roonies. And wow, every ball possession, merong magandang opensa dito. Ang kanilang kupunan. Back-to-back points on the side of Roonies. Making sure na lolobo pa itong kalamang hawak nila against the Millennium. Now the Team Millennium needs to do an action here. And right on cue, 2 points was added on their side. They need more of that. Kailangan nila ditong baliin yung momentum na hawak ng Team Roonies. So, turnover on the side of Roonies. And a timeout was called on their side too. 35-16 is our score. 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining for our first half.
And also, Team Millennium, mahihirapan sila ditong bumawi if hindi nila mapipigilan yung ginagawa dito ng Roonies. And a minute and 11 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Dapat maging continuous na yung kanilang scoring.
Now let's see after this timeout, ano yung magiging adjustment on the side of Millennium, knowing na basang-basa dito ng Team Runis yung galaw nila. That's why they are having a hard time converting a point. Nahihirapan ditong pumasok sa loob ang Team Millennial. So they need perfect game plan at this time.
Millennium has the ball possession. Coach Alvin ganap na mapapasahan with 5 seconds remaining. Coach Alvin in and out dribble and shot clock violation. What a tight defense from the Roonies. Nahihirapan dito yung Millennium na makapaghanap ng opportunity and to look for an open space with the tight defense of the Roonies. Roonies ngayon ang may hawak, looking to extend their lead. And extra pass, gandang fast break play coming in front of the Millennium. Kailangan nilang gawin pa yung mga ganung plays if they want to prevent Roonies from continuing the streak that they have. (35-8-20). Our official score for the first half, 35-20 in favor of the Roonies. Mainit yung naging laban natin sa ating first half. Let's see ano magaganap sa ating second half. Ito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others,
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwata. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awa, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwata. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awa, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And we are back here sa ating AA League 2025. Nasa second half na po tayo ng final game ng Seniors Championship. Abante nga dito ang Team Roonies 35-20. So let's see dito sa pangalawang or sa pangatlong quarter kung patuloy ba dito nga arangkada ang Team Roonies or will the Team Millennium will clutch this one and bring the favor on their side.
Kailangan lang dito ang habulin ng Millennium, yung naipupundar ng Roonies. Kahit onti-onti lang, masyado pa namang maaga ang ating laban.
Yes. They need to stop Bautista on the side of the Team Roonies kasi siya yung isa sa mga leading scorer on the side of their team. So let's see kung anong sagot dito ng Team Millennium. 14 seconds to shoot. Pull-up jumper. And malinis ulit. Grabe yung shooting dito ng Team Roonies. Now Team Millennium Basketball. Jersey number 82. Passing ito Salvador. Too strong on that. Offensive rebound. 5 seconds remaining on the shot clock. And still the ball possession on the side of Millennium. And this time, better connection inside the court. Jersey number 2 making an impact here.
Roonies, ano kaya ang kailang ibabawi dito? 3-pointer is no good. And the whistle called by a referee is on the rebound.
So again, Team Millennium, they need to double their effort here. And on the side of Team Roonies, kailangan paigtingin ulit dito ang kanilang defense and yung kanilang offense to add their lead here. And to hear an update on the side of Team Millennium, let's call our courtside reporter Eliza.
Missed opportunities. Ito yung kadalasang nagiging problema talaga ninyo, Hendrik. Kumbaga, nasa yun na, binibitawan mo pa. There's a hint of disappointment at this point. Medyo napapalakas na yung sigawan nila dito sa loob, showing their eagerness na makahabol. Defense talaga yung kailangan ng Millennium this time. Kitang-kita yung gigil na teammates na wala sa loob. Specifically, jersey number 1, Mr. Santa Isabel. With the current standing of the team, they need to exert extra effort talaga. Hindi pwedeng bitawan nila ang magandang nasipulan. Yan muna ang latest dito sa courtside. For now, back to you, Rick and Nino.
Thank you, Eliza, for that update from the side of the Millennium. And tamang-tama ka nga doon. Millennium, kailangan nilang pahigpitin yung depensa na ginagawa nila. Especially, grabe dito yung passing ng Roonies. And kahit yung mga blind spots, kailangan i-cover dito ng Millennium para ma-prevent yung Roonies from scoring and scoring dito sa ating second half and the third quarter.
Because kung marirecall natin on that first early part of our first quarter, talagang yung momentum is nasa team Millennium. Medyo nawala lang on that second quarter up until this third quarter. Kasi yun nga, nahihirapan ditong mag-communicate sa loob ng court ang players ng Millennium. So, yun yung kailangan ditong i-workout ng kanilang koponan. And at the same time, the defense, they need to make efforts when it comes to their defense at dapat pantayan dito yung pinapakita ng Team Roonies.
Uminit dito yung Roonies.
37-28, Team Roonies basketball. Jersey number 6 taking their time here. Finding his teammate. Passing it to Mommy. Great block. Para dito sa side ng Team Millennium. And to hear an update sa side ng Team Roonies, andito si Casey.
We are now on the second half of this game and the Bash 2000 is on fire, Rick and Nino. They have finally established a significant lead against the Bash 2000 and things are looking good for the team. Now, kailangan na lamang nilang panatilihin ang intensity sa depensa at siguraduhin na makonvert ang bawat opportunity sa opensa para hindi na makabawi pa ang kalaban. Ramdam na rin natin ang chemistry at focus ng team. Every pass and every play is executed with strategy and heart. Yan muna ang update sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Ninyo and Rick.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the side of the Roonies. And yung Roonies dito, kailangan talaga nilang pagpatuloy ko ng ginagawa nila kasi it's working for them and it's destroying the Millennium. Kaya consistency lang yung kailangan dito ng Roonies and that discipline, hindi masyadong maging kampante throughout until the end of this game.
Salvador, an attempt for 3. No good. Team Roonies with that rebound. Chance for them to add their lead here. No whistle. Basketball continues. Mommy with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Rather 10 seconds. Unsuccessful. What a great defense coming from the yellow side. Time to convert a point. Jersey number 23. Again, nagmamadali sila dito. They need to make sure that every ball possession counts. Both teams with this fast-paced play. Another one for Salvador and this time, pasok yung tirang yon.
Ganda ng bitaw dito ni Salvador pag nabibigay sa kanya. And he goes for that jumper. Unstoppable na.
Now, just a 7-point lead on the side of Roonies. Will they add their lead or will the Millennium slowly but surely catch up and break the gap para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter? And a foul was called on the side of Team Millennium, jersey number 2. So a substitution was made for both teams. Nasa 5-minute mark na nga tayo ng ating pangatlong quarter. And it's anyone's basketball. Mahaba pa ang oras but again, foul was called on the Team Millennium. They need to lessen their errors. Now Orbita on that inbound. 14 on the shot clock.
Millennium dito, they need to avoid those fouls as well. And linisin lang ang kanilang depensa.
Yes. Fouls are piling up on the side of their team. And look at that. Team Roonies. Nagkaroon pa ng free throw opportunity dito. One more time for jersey number 19. And this time, pasok yun. 1 point was added on their side. And now, Welro passing it to jersey number 24 on the side of Millennium. Better offense. That's the key to success on the side of Team Millennium. And another foul, unfortunately, was made on the side of Team Millennium.
Siguro dala rin ng intensity
Yes.
at ng pagod ng ating laban.
At the same time, they really want to catch up. That's why, yun nga, hindi dito napipigilang magkaroon ng foul on their side. But again, they need to lessen it. Rooney's basketball. 10 to shoot. Too short for that 3. Now, Monito, heavily guarded here. Look at the efforts on the side of Rooney's.
Ganda ng handles din ni Monito.
But a 3 points was scored on the side of Millennium courtesy of jersey number 23, Welro.
Bumaba na sa 5 yung
Yes.
kalamangan dito ng Roonies and kailangan lang dito ng Millennium ipagpatuloy ko ng ginagawa nila.
Again, ito yung sinasabi natin dito na huwag maging kampante ang Team Roonies because again, Team Millennium is slowly fired up and building their momentum. Look at that. It comes from a double-digit lead but naibaba ito sa 5 na lang para dito sa ating natitirang 3 minutes and 21 seconds. So, their ball possession and has the chance to cut the lead here.
The Roonies have the ball possession. Kailangan nilang makapagpuntos and end their cold streak.
Medyo sablay ngayon yung offense ang binibitawan ng Roonies. Meanwhile, the Millennium on a run here. But on that last sequence, unsuccessful yung attempt. Back to Team Roonies. $14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. And another foul, Nino, on the side of Team Millennium.
Mainit yung nagiging labanan. And defense is getting tighter and tighter. Kaya nagkakabanggaan na. Nagdadala rin ng pagod ng ating mga players dito.
So Team Millennium on the penalty side. Team Roonies should take advantage with it. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Jersey number 15 on that free throw line for 2 shots. But no good para sa unang attempt. Let's see on the second try kung madadagdagan ba dito yung 5 puntos na abante ng kanilang koponan. Wala pa din. This time, Sonwill ang may hawak ng bola. Well, Drew. No good on that 3. And we can feel the tension and intensity between these two teams. As the game progresses, talagang makikita na natin dito yung eagerness ng kada teams to get a point and at the same time, huwag pahabulin yung kanilang opponent. And we know that nasa penalty na nga itong Team Millennium. So every wrong move will lead into a free throw opportunity on the side of Roonies. 39-33, 6-point lead.
The Roonies, kailangan talaga nilang protektahan dito yung kalamangan na meron sila.
Ito naman ang Team Roonies lumalayo ulit sa ating scoreboard. And this time, a foul was called on the side of Team Roonies. Same ball. 14 to shoot. And last 2 minutes of this quarter. And last touch on the side of Millennium, so ball possession ng Roonies.
Roonies dito, kailangan nilang ibigay ang lahat. Kahit na they're leading this game. Look at that, a 3-pointer from the Roonies. Jersey number 15. Extending their lead to 10 points. And the extra pass has been made. Ball possession goes to the Roonies. Nahihirapan dito yung Millennium na makapag-abante. Lalo't na't hindi rin sila pinapayagan ng Roonies dito na makapaghabol sa ating third quarter.
So here we go again with this momentum on the side of Roonies. All they have to do is to be consistent. 14 to shoot. Pass it inside. Back to jersey number 6 and a block. Wow. What a great block on that last sequence para dito sa Team Millennium.
Those moves are from the Millennium, pero hindi kumagat dito sa ring. 54 seconds remaining for our third quarter. The Roonies moving the ball around. Sinalaksak dito, extra pass. Jumper, no good. Millennium. A chance to end this quarter with energy. Foul has been called by our referees. We'll go to the free throw line for a chance of 2 points. Free throws are made by the Millennium, jersey number 23.
Noelro. He needs this one. And basket. Back to 8-point lead. Mommy, may hawak ng bola. No good. Chance on the side of Millennium to lessen the gap.
3 seconds remaining for the Millennium. And sayang, hindi pumasok yung last shot dito. That concludes our third quarter, 43-35 our official score. Lamang pa rin ang Roonies, and we'll be back after short break dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may kangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka away now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may kangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together.
Back to the ball game. We are down to our last quarter of this match. And abante nga dito ng 8 puntos ang Team Roonies. Napakaganda basket count. Samahan pa yun ng foul dito to open this fourth quarter. Now Bautista. An attempt for having a 3 points. And successful 3 points for Bautista. So this is the final stretch for both teams. For our defending champion, they really need to double their effort if they want to maintain the title on their side.
Kinulang dito. 46-35. The Roonies leading this game by 11 points. With 9 minutes and 24 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter, kailangan dito ng Millennial ng continuous na scoring. And the Roonies naman, consistent sila. They get that defense from the Millennium. Pero same ball possession, natapikata palabas yung bola.
Wow, offensive rebound. What a great block, but second chance point, wala pa din. Now Millennium, may hawak ng bola dito. Salvador, too short for that. And the ball remains on the side of their team.
Great defense from the Millennium. Makikita mo talagang palong-palo sila. Mapigilan dito yung Roonies. And 3 points from jersey number 82. Now, ball possession ngayon. Ball possession pa rin ng Roonies. And 46 to 38. Rooney's lamang pa rin ng 8 points.
You need to double their effort this time. 10 to shoot. No good. Offensive rebound by jersey number 5. Wala pa din, and Wilro with that rebound. Second chance point was good. And Wilro Salvador connection is on point on that last couple of minutes. And with that, 6 na puntos na lamang dito ang kalamang hawak ng Team Roonies. 46-40. So anyone's basketball. Hindi natin alam kung kanino mapupunta ang larong ito. And 7 minutes and 28 seconds na lang nga ang natitira para sa ating final quarter. So our officials clarifying things, and to hear an update on the side of Team Millennium, let's call our courtside reporter Eliza.
Rick Canino, medyo bumabalik na yung kumpiyansa ng kupunan sa loob ng court. Gaya ng naunang mga minuto, bumalik yung magandang depensa nila. The split seconds are all important for this match. Hindi mo mamamalayan na nakapuntos na pala yung kalaban. There's really no hint to time and time to relax at this point. Pigil hininga bawat segundo. Parehong nanggigigil. No hint of backing down for the Batch 2000, and that's the beauty of this game. Yan muna ang latest dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you, Eliza, for that update from the side of the Millennium. And talagang kailangan nila dito mag-triple effort na. Lalo't na we are in the fourth quarter of our game. To the final moments kung saan ibubuhos na ng lahat ng players ang kanilang lahat. With this being the finals championship game for the seniors division dito sa Ateneo Alumni League.
And to hear an update sa side naman ng Roonies, andito ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey.
We are now finally on the last quarter of this game at medyo nahabol nga ng Batch 2001 ang Team Batch 2000. Kailangan nilang higpitan ang depensa, i-maximize ang bawat possession at maging smart sa opensa para palawaking muli ang kanilang kalamangan. This is the last quarter, kaya naman kailangan na talaga nilang ibigay ang lahat ng kanilang makakaya upang makuha na ang kanilang inaasam-asam na kampyonato. Yan muna sa ngayon, balik sa inyo, Ninyo and Rick.
Thank you, Casey, for the update from the side of the Roonies. And tama ka nga doon, the Roonies, they need to maintain what they're doing here and prevent the Millennium from scoring kung gusto nilang makuha ang panalo for this game against the Millennium. Traveling violation has been called. Dapat maiwasan nila yung mga ganung turnovers and those mistakes because the Millennium, pag nakakuha ito ng spark and nagdire-diretso yung kanilang momentum, it will be dangerous para sa Roonies.
Yes, they need to stay calm inside the court at dagdagan pa dito yung kalamangan. Pero yun nga, another foul was called on the side of Roonies. The ball stays on the side of Team Millennium. Well to inbound, passing it to jersey number 24. The attempt for 3. No good. I don't see jersey number 7 for the rebound. Jersey number 6 to 7, and now Kevin Bautista. Crucial traveling violation was called on the side of Rooney. So back-to-back turnover para dito sa Roonies.
Sunod yung nagiging errors dito ng Roonies, and now a chance for the Millennium na makapag-push through. Millennium moving the ball around with 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Salvador has it. Extra pass to the corner man, drives to the basket. 2 points for the Millennium. What a passing dito. Maximizing all the opportunities available for their end. And now the Roonies moving the ball around. Grabe na yung depensa dito ng Millennium. And shot clock is at 2 seconds para dito sa Roonies. Higpit ng depensa. And jumper is no good. Millennium has the ball possession. Foul called on jersey number 7. With 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter, Roonies pa rin ang may lamang, 4 points.
And now Millennium will have the ball possession. Kailangan ditong dahan-dahanin ng Team Millennium, but still coming from the Team Roonies, but no good on that. The ball stays on the side of Team Millennium. So with this remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds on our game, kanino kaya mapupunta ang panalo? This is not yet over on the side of Team Millennium because this is just a 4-point lead. They need a better defense and strong offense. Buelro, libreng-libre, but no good on that attempt. Now, the ball possession stays on the side of Roonies, but what a great defense shown by Team Millennium.
The last 3 minutes and 49 seconds of this game, and talagang makita natin na mahigpit ng depensa ng bawat kupunan. Roonies to inbound the ball. Ball was tipped, same ball possession. Bola pa rin ang Roonies. Kapag di dito nakapagpuntos ang Roonies for this possession, mahirapan na sila dito ang bawin yung momentum na nawala sa kanila. That's the Millennium for sure. Foul was called. A chance for 2 points dito sa ating free throw line. For jersey number 71.
3 minutes and 34. Successful on that free throw. One more time for Kevin Bautista. Again, they need the point conversion at this moment because Millennium just 4. Look at that. The ball possession goes on the side of Millennium. Buelro.
Medyo benebenas dito yung Millennium.
Yes.
Nothing is hitting for the Roonies. And this is the chance of Millennium para makapagpuntos ng dire-diretso.
Too short for that. Team Roonies on the offense. Reagan loses that, but andoon yung kanyang teammates. Great hustle on the side of Millennium for stealing that ball. And gets a foul. 2 points. Or 2 free throw ang ibibigay dito on the side of the team.
2 minutes remaining. And yung Roonies hindi pa rin nakakapagpuntos. It's a 3-0 nothing It's 3-0 run para dito sa Millennium. Kaya sunod-sunod yung nagiging pagbawi ng Millennium. And nahihirapan dito yung Roonies. Lamang yung Roonies sa score dito, pero Millennium lamang sila sa momentum dito sa ating fourth quarter. Now the Roonies, may hawak ngayon ng bola. The last 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining.
No good on that 3-point attempt. Now chance on the side of Millennium to lessen the gap. This is not yet over on their side. Salvador, no good. Now Roonies with the basketball. At papalapit na tayo sa pagkaubos ng ating oras. But jersey number 7 slips on the floor and the ball possession goes on the side of the Team Millennium.
Ramdam na yung ingay sa ating hardcourt dito sa ating fourth quarter. With 2 minutes remaining, both teams, ano kaya yung kanilang magiging adjustments para makakuha ang panalo dito sa ating laban? The finals and the championship match between the 2000 batch versus the 2001. Roonies versus the Millennium. Sino kaya ang mananaig for this Alumni League 2025? Now we are back to the ball game. Roonies versus Millennium. Ball possession ng Millennium, and let's see kung sino ang mananalo in the last moments of our game. Kailangan dito ng Roonies mag-focus sa depensa and prevent na makapag-score dito yung Millennium.
Last 2 minutes of the match.
Look at that drive to the basket. And contact has been made. Penalty situation na dito ang Roonies. So kailangan nilang linisin ang kanilang depensa and avoid those fouls.
Yes.
Kasi maaaring dito makapagpuntos ng sobra yung Millennium.
Jersey number 82. Successful on that first one. 46-43. Just a 3 points. Yung kailangan dito nga bulin on the side of Team Millennium and has the chance to tie this match. Team Roonies ngayon ang may hawak ng bola.
And whistle has been called by referees with that play. Millennium with the ball possession. Talagang hindi pa tapos ang laban hanggat hindi pa pumipito ng final whistle ang ating referees. Millennium may pag-asa pa.
Masyado nga dikit dito ang score. So let's see. Dito sa natitirang 1 minute and 28 seconds kung kanino mapupuntang panalo.
And Millennium moving the ball around. Nakita Salvador. Long pass to the wingman. Grabe yung swing dito ng Millennium. And the ball movement, ganda. Getting that 2 points, 46 to 45. Sa energy and the momentum.
Napakaganda ng last point conversion on the side of Team Millennium. And now just a single point.
58 seconds remaining. Rooney still leading the game by a point. Pero tingnan natin kung Rooney's pa rin ba ang lalamang after this play, or will the Millennium get a chance to turn the things around.
Last 58 seconds. And the tension inside the court. Yes.
Ang mga players dito.
I got that because of the tension inside the court. Hindi nga naiiwasan dito yung foul committed by these teams. Team Roonies to inbound. If they want to win this one, they need a point conversion. Reagan. No good.
Millennium, may hawak pa rin ng bola. Ngayon nagmamadali. A chance to turn the things around. And traveling violation has been called by our referees. What a crucial mistake for the side of Millennium dito. Oh no.
Very crucial error on the side of Team Millennium.
38
Chance na lang.
seconds.
Yes, chance na sana yon on their side para makakuha ng kalamangan on their offense, but traveling violation was called on them. "37 seconds remaining."
Look at the double team dito ng Millennium, and the defensive adjustments. Open layup is good for the Roonies. Timeout has been called by the Millennium. With 28 seconds remaining, they need to create a play. Specifically a 3-point play if they want to tie the game. If gusto nilang manalo, dalawang 2 points, pwede na.
Yes.
Basta higpitan na nila ang kanilang depensa and 2 consecutive points.
Let's see on this last 28 seconds of the match kung tatapusin na ba ng Roonies, or will the Millennium extend this match. Yan ang haabangan natin because this is just a 3-point cushion para dito sa ating laro. Napakaganda on that last sequence ng ginawa ng Roonies. Wide open. Hindi dito nagawan or nabantayan ng Millennium. So the ball possession is on the side of Team Millennium. Anything can happen with this 28 seconds.
Ayun na. Ball possession ng Millennium. And the bench of the Roonies chanting defense. Salvador has the ball. Coach Alvin, 3-pointer over the defender. No good. Fell short. And nakawala dito yung Roonies. Foul has been made. 2 shots para dito sa Roonies.
Pag naipasok ito ninyo ng Roonies, there's a high chance that they will win this match because we just have 14 seconds remaining for this match. What a great game for these both teams. Napakadikit ng ating score.
Kailangan nilang i-secure dito yung free throws ng Roonies. last 14 seconds of our game. 48-45 our official score. Rooney's leading the game by 3 points. Second throw, no good. Rebound pa rin dito ng Rooney's. And tumatakbo dito si jersey number 6. Naghahanap. Iniiwasan yung mga defenders. And a foul was made.
So Team Rooney's are filling it right now.
Penalty situation na dito ang Millennia. First shot is good. 49-45 our score. Mukhang medyo malabo dito na makuha ng Millennium ang panalo. Pero let's see.
Kudos on the efforts of Team Rooney's. 50-45. 5 seconds remaining.
2 seconds. And that concludes our game. 50-45 our official score. Rooney's being the champions for the seniors division. Yung laban ng ating mga kupunan. Dominating the game, Rooney's second hanggang fourth quarter, pero nahabol sana ng Millennium. Pero not enough na para malamangan nila yung Rooney's. And mamaya at maya lang, babalik tayo dito with our best player of the game dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, May dangaladala, di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban. Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we
Hoy!
Ateneo Alumni League has finally had its new champions for the seniors division, none other than the batch 2001. The best player of the game is none other than jersey number 71, Mr. Kevin Bautista. Sir, congratulations po for being named as the best player of the game. Nakita natin kung gaano ka-intense yung mga kaganapan kanina. Now, how does it feel to finally claim the champion title after 3 long consecutive years of being the runner-up?
Yes, it's been long enough. It's been overdue for a long time. Since this is my first championship in Alumni League, this is the sweetest thing compared to other championship in the big league.
Ngayon, sir, gaano ka-importante yung mga ganitong liga sa mga alumni of Ateneo de Naga University in terms of reconnection?
I think the concept is to regain the brotherhood from the high school classmates and also to the Ateneo community.
Ngayon, sir, baka po may mga gusto kang i-shout out na family members or friends na nanonood dito sa ating live stream.
Shout out to my wife, Tin Bautista. I love you. This is my birthday today. Sweetest thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and happy birthday po. Once again, our best player of the game, Mr. Kevin Bautista. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nakatutok dito sa ating live stream ngayon via Oragon Sports TV and Oragon Basketball League Facebook page. This has been your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchoquia. See you next game.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangaladala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Kalaw hindi ka away, now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Palaro, hindi kaaway.
And that is it for the game between the 2000 and the 2001. And grabe yung naging labanan ng ating mga kupunan dito. From the first hanggang third quarter, dominating yung 2001. And Millennium, konti na sana makahabol sila. Pero it's not enough to stop kung anong ginagawa doon ng 2001. And talagang age is nothing but a number for
Yes.
these players. Through the spirits of their hearts na talagang love nila ang paglaro ng basketball. When dito lamang sa Ateneo Alumni League, once again, my name is Neo Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game.
And I am Rick Puerta. So pinakitaan tayo dito ng Magis match na dito sa ating AA League 2025. What a great game to end this league. Talagang napakaganda at very triumph yung nangyari dito sa AA League 2025. Talagang very thankful yung mga players natin dito kasi this is the time for their mag-reconnect at talagang mag-catch up sa mga players and teammates nila na nakasama halos ilang years na. And yun, that's the end of this AA League 2025 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention.